Fisiogen Ferro Forte is a soluble food supplement containing liposomal ferric pyrophosphate, a component that helps to increase iron levels. It is therefore suitable for people low in iron, such as pregnant women, always on the recommendation of a doctor, as it covers the demand for iron during pregnancy and helps to prevent anemia. How to use? Take 1 sachet per day of Fisiogen Ferro Forte diluted in water. Food supplements are not a substitute for a healthy and balanced diet. In case of low iron levels, consult a healthcare professional before starting treatment. Pharmaceutical Advice. Iron is a key mineral for people as it is present in hemoglobin and myoglobin, proteins that transport oxygen in the body, allowing its correct development. It is necessary to incorporate iron for the diet. Food sources of iron are meat, seafood, eggs, legumes, and nuts. I recommend that you combine iron-rich foods with acidic foods such as orange or lemon juice to improve its absorption. Iron deficiency can lead to iron deficiency anemia. During the years of menstruation, as well as in pregnant and lactating women, it is important to keep a special control of iron levels, as it is also very necessary for the newborn. On the other hand, keep in mind that supplementation with other minerals such as zinc or calcium can also complete with iron absorption. Finally, there may be a deficiency as a result of certain intestinal problems. To maintain the necessary iron levels, and if there are no blood losses that need to be corrected, it is enough to maintain a varied diet. In the event of a deficiency, it is important that you follow the advice of a healthcare professional regarding taking a food supplement with iron, or in most severe cases medication. Avoid supplementing with this mineral without knowing if you have a lack of it in your body.